ExpressVPN Refund, how to cancel ExpressVPN. So basically, if you'd like to cancel your ExpressVPN and then ask for a refund, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up your browser. And once you open up your browser, basically go to expressvpn.com and you log into your ExpressVPN account and you go to the My Account option, right? So once you log into their website, first of all, there isn't a direct way that you can cancel or ask for a refund yourself. Basically, what you have to do is ask and talk to their live chat representative and then get in help with them and ask them to cancel it. So from the bottom right of the website, you can see it says need help chat with us. You can click on that option right there that says need help chat with us option. And you would have to log into your account by the way. And once it says ask us anything, here you can simply type in you want a refund right here. So just type in your email first of all of your account. And once you've done that, you will be able to ask for a refund right here. So over here, you can just type in a type of message. And after that, just select I want a refund. Make sure that it is only within 30 days of the time that you purchase ExpressVPN account and that you're asking for a refund. Because by default, first of all, an AI or a virtual assistant is going to be there, but after a while, a live representative is going to get in touch with you. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.